Have you seen people saying that Instacart is dead? That you can't make good money anymore? Well, after more than 10,000 completed Instacart batches, I'm here to tell you that the answer is not a simple yes or no. Now, can you still make $200 a day with Instacart in 2026? Yes, but not the way many people think. And if you don't know who I am, my name is T. I have been a full-time, full-service Instacart shopper for over 8 years, and I've done over 10,000 batches. So if you want to know all things Instacart, this is where you ought to be. Now, the shoppers who consistently make $200 daily are not accepting every batch they see. They're making smart decisions throughout the day. And today, I'm going to share the exact strategies I use. Tip number 1, start before everyone else does. The best batches often appear before the biggest rush. Being online early can make a huge difference. If the stores open in your area at 6 a.m., I'd be there at 5:45. Now, tip number 2, do not chase every high-paying batch. A $50 batch is not always better than 2 efficient $25 batches. So pay attention to the mileage, the item count, and the checkout time. Tip number 3, learn your stores. Knowing where the items are can save several minutes on every order. Those minutes add up over the full course of a day. Tip number 4, protect your ratings. Great communication, quality produce, and accurate replacements help keep customers happy, which can improve your opportunities over time. Tip number 5, stay in busy areas. That means position yourself near stores with consistent demand instead of driving all over town. Tip number 6, keep moving. If an area is slow, don't spend an hour waiting. Move to another shopping zone if it is making sense in your market. Tip number 7, avoid expensive mistakes. Remember, one wrong item or missed delivery instruction can cost you far more than the extra minute it would have taken to double check. Tip number 8, track your hourly earnings. Don't just focus only on the total payout. Think about how much you're earning per hour after shopping and driving. Tip number 9, learn from every day. Pay attention to what stores have the best times, that have most of the expensive batches that are paying quite a bit. Or actually, you can not only do that, you can look in the Instacart app and track what they feel is the best time of day to shop. Consistency works best in all areas. Tip number 10, be patient. Not every day will be a $200 a day. Some days are slower than others, but consistency over weeks, months, that matters more than one exceptional day. Now, after more than 10,000 completed batches, I've learned that success on Instacart's platform is not about luck. It's about making better decisions over and over again. Now, if this video helped you, let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge with Instacart right now? And if you'd like more practical tips, please like, comment, and subscribe so that I can continue to share more real-world advice from my own experience. And until next time, happy shopping!